are going for a tour today of the other side of the island. Check out a village with all of our friends, and someday I all just got in, so they're going to join us, Mel, Chris, and James. We're super excited, but we're late, so I will take you guys to shore with me.
Get it. Good job. Hey, man.
Look who just pulled up.
Catboy to the one. Catboy
made it.
Chris.
Get it, buddy.
Cat Mel.
Appreciate you.
Freaking did it. James crushed it.
Oh, thank you. Me too.
Now we can go for a tour.
Oh my God.
The tour we're doing today will take us to the other side of the island, where the largest town here is located. All of our friends. Over the last few days, our motley crew has arrived here into breathtaking Fatu Hiva, a volcanic island in the Marquesan Island group. We've all crossed the Pacific from Mexico, and this lush and incredibly verdant island has completely overwhelmed our senses after 21 days at sea. As we climb the steep roads headed for our first stop, which will take us to the second highest peak on the island at 900 meters, I am thinking about how grateful I am for the ride up. My legs are not yet in shape for this type of hike. Of course, that means I need to process my surroundings a bit more quickly than I would walking, and with so much beauty to feast my eyes on, it's definitely a bit of a challenge. An incredible variety of flora seemingly speeds by me as we climb higher and higher towards the 900-meter peak where we will stop. Every shade of green pops against the black, jagged peaks looming in the background as we wind our way upwards. This is freaking amazing. Bill just went for a walk down this road. We just stopped. Peter, hi. This is our ride, by the way. And we're gonna check out the views.
Yeah.
Excited.
He's an introvert, and he gets this like.
Oh my God. Chloe, I have to take a picture of you right there. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Great smile.
Oh my God.
The video does not show us, so.
Oh no, it always flags.
Yeah, it looks so
After we've descended back down the mountain, but this time on the other side, we're making our way into the island's largest village, a population of 400 people. The town on the side where we're anchored has a population of 240, making the island's total population 700 persons.
looks like a little food store.
Oh, it's cool?
You want to get any food?
I don't know. Let's see.
All that booze.
Wow,
We've made a stop at the largest shop on the island, a little market with a surprisingly good variety of items priced in French Polynesian francs, the local currency here. There are a lot of French items we've seen in both Europe and the Caribbean's French islands, and it's strange to see them again here.
I'm gonna try one of these.
Okay.
Because why not?
What can you know? I mean,
And that way you can get out some cash.
yeah.
It's intriguing. Potato sauce. I have to get these two because it says there is no substitute. I'm gonna try these two.
Yeah, I'm getting some pizzas, Doritos. Oh, no, 10%, that's 100 US. Good start.
2,000 and this is 96. 5,000? 5 000?
You guys help me out here, Ali.
5 000 peanut.
Alleys are French.
If it works, we'll find out.
Yeah, well, maybe my card will work.
My French is still coming back to me.
Mine and Bet.
Love this stuff. First time using for parents, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, or getting out some French Polynesian francs. Bonjour. Merci. Merci beaucoup.
Mulberry tree. Tên này hay banyo, tên này áo. What banyo? Hay mấy cái breadfruit? Okay. They have three different
Trees.
trees. Yeah. They have breadfruit, banyan, and mulberry.
Mulberry
the
or
white color.
Mumberry?
Mulberry,
Mumberry.
maybe.
Mulberry?
We're at the home of our tour guide's mother, where she is demonstrating how tapas is made, a traditional cloth made from the bark of trees.
Remove. Not expecting that. The second time, remove it.
So gentle.
Fennel.
Fennel.
Ça, lys de rivière. Lys de rivière.
Lisa David.
Ça, tiare Tahiti. Tiare. Jasmine. Jasmine.
Oh, jasmine.
The floral hairpieces traditionally worn by Marquesan women are made from a large variety of fragrant flowers. Here today, river lily, yingling, jasmine, mint, pineapple, and sandalwood.
Thank you.
I smell like jasmine and mint.
I can't help myself from coming.
The floral hairpieces are a new experience for me, as is tapas making, a traditional artwork made from either banyan, mulberry, or breadfruit trees.
So cool.
You love fruit.
This is so good. It's chilled mango. It's so refreshing.
Right on.
For the last bit of our day, our tour guide Poi shares an interesting fact with us. Fatu Hiva is home to the black monarch bird, a large, glossy black bird endemic to the island, French Polynesia's most endangered bird and one of the world's rarest species. There is a breeding program here where biologists are working to help preserve it. We were not lucky enough to see one, but I'm happy to feast my eyes instead on the collection of stone tiki carvings we've stopped to see near the water's edge. It's my first glimpse at these distinctive sculptures, and it's thrilling to see them up close, especially considering how far we've come in order to view them. So I just made my sleep drink, Dream. Dream is a new product that I started using a little while ago that has completely changed my life in terms of sleep. I have struggled for a long time with both falling asleep and staying asleep. And I've tried a lot of different supplements, both natural and non-natural, without success until Dream. When I don't get enough sleep, I feel foggy. I struggle to do just even like basic tasks, and I'm just overall not a happy person. Dream is a super indulgent, delicious hot chocolate drink with natural sleep supplements. Adding this to my bedtime routine has been an absolute game changer. I fall asleep more quickly. If I wake up, I actually go back to sleep, and when I get up in the morning, I am not groggy and I am just happier and I'm a better version of myself for the day. Dream is really good on its own. I actually enjoy it just with hot water and milk, but on a hot night, I've tried using it on ice, like making a nice little iced chocolate drink in the evenings, and that's also really good when it's warm out. It's completely indulgent and guilt-free. So you guys should try it so you can fall asleep easier and stay asleep. You just need to click the link below, and we have a code for you, Calico, which will get you up to 35% off at checkout. In addition to all those perks, you will also get a free frother when you sign up for your first order. So definitely check the link here and get yours today.
Alrighty, so today I'm going to work on effecting some repairs to our rig. We had the broken shackle, which is somewhere in this mess. I don't know where I put it now. Mess of GoPros. Anyhow, oh, here it is. So the shackle, the season wire came out and bent it. You can tell the threads are not damaged, but it bent it right back. So have a new shackle, have Loctite, season wire, and Dyneema, which I'm going to use as a safety. So I'm going up and repairing that, get a block reattached. I also going to do a rig check while I'm up there, because the rig's obviously been under a lot of load for 3,000 miles, so I might as well check it out now while I'm up there. I checked the deck level fittings every day, but I couldn't go up there and check it, so I'm doing that. I also have to bring down our radar dome again, because that is not working, so I have to open that up again. And that's today's fun. Well, you can't beat the view for boat work. I'm up here at the masthead. You can see where the shackle popped off. But look at that view. Try to do it when it was calmer. It's been pretty rolly in here. I'm moving around quite a bit, but whatever. Yeah, it's been windy and pretty rolly. Today's the calmest day in a while. Hoping that rain holds off. Just gonna try to effect this repair. I checked the rig on the way up, everything looks pretty good. I just did a very thorough rig check like a month ago, but I just want to make sure something was pushed the boat hard. On the way down, I'm gonna grab the radar dome and then try to fix that too. So I got the two shackles together. I had to reopen up this one, so I'm gonna Loctite this and season wire it, and then do the same for up top. Hopefully it works this time. So I put a Dyneema safety onto the block here in case this ever dropped out again. Hopefully I would hold it for a little bit for me to get the sail down. It'd be hanging awkwardly, but hopefully it wouldn't let it hit me here. Because last time when we had a problem, it jammed on this and it pulled the cover off, and then the whole halyard got stuck. That was 2 years ago, off Mexico. So hoping that gives me a little bit of safety. The other side looks good too. I'm gonna put a safety on there too, and then make my way on down. I've been up here for a while. This takes forever. It's hard to work. That ferry boat over there, heading out. That thing nearly killed me. It left like a 6-foot wake in here, and I was swinging around holding on for dear life. So I'm glad I was able to hang on, didn't hurt myself on that. That was unfortunate. He did not need to come 10 feet off our boat and leave a 6-foot wave, but they probably don't know any better. They're probably not used to people up sailboat masts. It's probably not a normal thing for the ferry to see, but nonetheless, it was not fun. The O-ring failed at the heat shrink, so I think I'm trying to throw a little bit of sail thread through this to fix it. Well, once again with a dull failure, but I'm gonna try to sew it with some sail thread this time. Maybe we'll give it a little more reinforcement. I don't know. I don't know why it keeps failing, but here we go.
Just trying to do one more. We're just using this pre-cooked sausage because we're trying to get through some of the like
Stores.
sort of like I guess pre-cooked meats in our fridge.
Yeah, we have a lot of stores. I mean, we're probably on like almost week 4 here of living off the boat. No issue. Still plenty of food around. It's crazy. So I think I'm gonna take a little pasta water in here and then some cheese, and hopefully that'll thicken it up. These like lemon lime things. I'm not really sure what they are, but
Yeah, Michael is thinking they're possibly yuzu or in the family of
some exotic like cooking fruit. So
yeah.
We're using it. Like I just put 2 in here, with a little butter and a little parsley. Then we take a little pasta water and try to make like a sauce. They're very fragrant. Like it's really cool.
Guys, I am so hungry. We have not had the energy to cook for the last couple days. And there's something else I wanted to say. I'm just so tired that I can hardly think. It's been so crazy since we got here. That's why, yeah, everything's a mess. I'm just transferring footage, but I'm gonna eat this actually right now because it smells really good. Can't believe we got local food. I can't believe there's local fruits in this.
You love it.
Oh wow. It's really good.
Yeah, it came out good. Sweet.
It's really good. So it's 11:30, so we're about to make a brunch. Dude, it's only been a few days since we got in, and Bill's slept like 12 hours yesterday. I slept 14 hours the day before yesterday, which is crazy. But the reason why I picked up the camera is because we're gonna make brunch now, and we're gonna make potatoes. Michael actually got some fresh eggs in town the other day, and he gave us some. So which is so kind of him. And we're gonna make breakfast, and we got yesterday a whole bunch of pamplemousse from Poi and Leva. So I'm gonna cut this guy up right now, and I just wanted to film it because one of my favorite parts about travel is eating the local foods and trying new things. And I don't know what it is because I'm not a big fruit person normally, but like whenever I'm traveling, I am. Like the local fruits, I just like crave fruit. I think because when we had it on the tour, they had refrigerated it, so the mango and the grapefruit was like cold and it was just so good. So I'm gonna slice this up and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and yeah, we got some sun today too, which is nice.
I wonder why solar come on, maybe.
Thank God. We've been cloudy last day. a lot of. Honestly, Will, this is giving me such pleasure right now. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, that is so good. You have to try this. It has a fragrance to it. It is so different here on a Saturday. Oh my god. Everybody seems to be in town for the supply ship, which makes sense. It's pretty exciting. And yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day. The last couple days have been cloudy, so I'm gonna hopefully get some good shots today. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this amazing place. And this is the church. We heard actually a lot of singing coming from this building. Hi guys! How are you doing? So cute. I've stumbled upon some type of community center where some locals are selling arts and crafts and entertaining passerbys with their lively music, a sound very, somewhat strangely, soothing. It's a happy vibe and just such a unique experience. I want Bill to hear it also, and when he joins me, we decide to make our first purchases together.
I'm so happy.
A traditional Maui carving from bone worn as a necklace. Such a cool moment in one of the most remote and incredible places on Earth.
Muy bien.
Oh, yeah.
Très bien. Merci.